Hello everyone, this is Mandeep here and this is the National Achievement Survey based timetable comprehension. Okay, and this is for the date of 30th September 2021. So, this is time schedule for employees of a particular factory in a different departments. Okay, so here timetable is given, okay, for the different departments. Which departments are there? One is sales, purchase, finance, production and marketing. Okay, so and time, which times are given? One is the reporting time for the employees, second is starting time, okay, whenever they start their work, next is tea break, then lunch break, then end of their duty, means departure time. So let me see the questions. First question is, what is the reporting time of the employees of the marketing department? Okay, so we will see marketing department. This is the marketing department and the reporting time of this is 8:20. So let me see the options: 8 a.m., 8:35 a.m., 7:35 a.m. So 8:20 is not there. Okay, reporting time, because they have asked the reporting time. So D option will be the answer. None of these. Okay, first question, none of these, because the reporting time is 8:20. Don't be confused in this starting time, because they have asked reporting time. ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ? ਰਿਪੋਰਟਿੰਗ ਟਾਈਮ ਪੁੱਛੇਗਾ, ਬਟ ਹੇਅਰ 8:35 ਇਜ਼ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਟਾਈਮ. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ the correct answer is none of these. Question number 2, how long do the employees of the finance department stay in the factory? ਕਿ ਜੋ ਫਾਈਨਾਂਸ ਡਿਪਾਰਟਮੈਂਟ ਦੇ ਇੰਪਲੋਈਜ਼ ਨੇ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਫੈਕਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ? ਸੋ ਦੇ ਵਿਲ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਫਰੋਮ 7:10, ਓਕੇ, 7:10 AM and up to 4:40 PM. The total time between 7 to 12 you can say 5 hours, okay, and 4:40 you can say 4:40 will be added in 5, 9:40 and 10, this you can minus this, so 9:30. So 9 hours 30 minutes. A option will be correct answer. Okay, 9 and 30, 9 hours 30 minutes. A option will be correct answer. Question number 3, what is the sum total of both the breaks in the purchase department? So let me see now purchase department. परचेज डिपार्टमेंट या दोनों ब्रेक्स का टाइम कितना है? सो हेयर इज़ 5 मिनट 10:20 to 10:25, 5 minute this and 20 minute this, 1 to 1:20. So 5 plus 20, that is 25. So option D is a correct answer. Okay, 25 minute. So now the question number 4. Okay, question number 4 is the time gap between the reporting time and starting time of working in the sales department. So we will see now the sales department is here and the reporting time is 7:30 and the starting time is 8 AM. So what is the difference between these? Only half hour is there. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 hour 35 minutes, 40 minutes, half an hour. Yes, D option will be the correct answer. Okay, half an hour. Okay, 30 minutes only you can say. Now the question number 5, the time gap between the reporting time and starting time is 15 minutes. 15 minutes in the dash department. ਕਿਹੜੇ डिपार्टमेंट ਦਾ टाइम है जो रिपोर्टिंग ਤੇ ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 15 ਮਿੰਟ ਦਾ ਗੈਪ ਹੈਗਾ? ਸੋ ਹੇਅਰ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਸੀ 30 ਮਿੰਟ, ਹੇਅਰ ਇਜ਼ 20 ਮਿੰਟ, ਹੇਅਰ ਇਜ਼ 25 ਮਿੰਟ and here is 20 minute and here is 15 minute. So the correct answer is marketing department. D option will be correct answer, because the time in marketing reporting time and starting time Okay, the difference between reporting time and starting time is 15 minutes. So fifth question, D option is the correct answer. So first is D, second A, third D, fourth D, fifth D. So hopefully you all the dears understood all the question answers. So do practice more and more comprehensions, and NAS is now not a difficult for us. It's very easy. You can say English is my cup of tea. So thank you so much all the learners. Have a wonderful day to all of you.